What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, back to show y'all these awesome direct port plates for your 2015 and up Subaru WRX non-STI. This product is available as a complete water-methanol system, or you can purchase the plates by themselves. These plates install between your intake and engine, which makes installing a direct port water-methanol system quick and easy. This nozzle placement provides you with the most consistent and even distribution of water-methanol by placing a nozzle directly into each intake runner. Using water-methanol increases pump gas octane by 25 points, allowing you to make more power safely and efficiently. And that's not all either. When you run water-methanol through your engine, it cleans the combustion chambers and removes carbon buildup. The complete system comes with dual intake spacer plates, water-methanol nozzles, braided stainless lines, and 4AN fittings, offering unsurpassed reliability and ease of installation. The complete system also includes a progressive VC50 controller that proportionally injects more or less water meth according to boost pressure. The start and full points are adjustable for engagement and delivery curve to match whatever your engine requires. Proportionally injecting according to boost pressure gives you the most accurate delivery of water-methanol, which allows for cooling and performance improvements over a wide range for improved drivability. This VC50 controller, which is a 52mm gauge, offers the functionality of a boost gauge and water-methanol controller all in one, highlighting a 7-color OLED display, which is capable of displaying boost, percentage of injection, low level, secondary nozzle activation, prime button, and 4 fault codes directly on the screen. With this, you can take full control to match your OEM gauges or mix and match up to 2 colors for whatever kind of look you'd like. For more information on this VC50, check out the link in our description to view a video directly on that. With all that being said, if you'd like this system on your Subaru or if you have any questions, visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 888-GO-FAST-1. As always, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I will see you next time.